Welcome, everyone, this is CYRUS CS40, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and where I have the battery icon with a drastically low percentage of 15%, as well, very probably a bit, but the icon is the same, the percentage is different. You want to tap on it, and once you do, you have the battery saver. Enable that. As you can see, your navigation bar turns red. That is to signify that it is now in the power saving mode, and that's about it. As you can see, also red, status bar is red as well, and your battery has a plus. And in this mode, apps will be terminated quicker in the background, so apps that are right here will need to be reloaded whenever you go back to them. And apart from that, when you lock the device, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and like cellular, well, not cellular, but primarily from Wi-Fi and the GPS. Anything that isn't necessarily needed for calls or SMS messages will be deactivated when the device is in standby mode and reactivated when you go back to it. And once you're done with the mode, you need to just simply go back and disable it in here. So that is how you would enable the power saving mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.